Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that is on a lot of people's minds. Making money, but we're not talking about the usual get-rich-quick schemes. We're diving into some of the unspoken truths, the secrets that successful people understand but rarely talk about. Ready to have your perspective shifted? Let's get into it. The first secret is that money doesn't follow passion, it follows problems. So many people say, follow your passion. But what if your passion is watching movies all day? The real key is to find a problem that people have, a pain point, and become the best at solving it. Your passion can fuel your ability to solve that problem better than anyone else. For example, if you're passionate about fitness, the problem isn't your passion itself. It's that people want to get healthy, but don't know how. Solve that problem, and the value you create will come back to you as income. The second secret is that your first dollar earned on your own is more important than your first million. Why? Because that first dollar proves the concept. It proves that you can create value out of thin air, and that someone is willing to pay for it. That single dollar breaks a huge mental barrier. It changes your identity from someone who only earns a salary to someone who can generate their own income. Scaling from $1 to 100, then 1,000, is just a matter of systemizing and repeating what worked. Don't underestimate the power of that first small win. The third and perhaps most important secret is that wealth isn't about how much you make, but how much you keep and how hard it works for you. You could earn $1 million a year and be broke if you spend it all. T-Rail Game Changer is learning to live on less than you earn and investing the difference. This isn't about being cheap. It's about being strategic. Every dollar you invest is like a tiny employee working for you. 24 septima partis, making more money. This is how you build true, lasting financial freedom. It's not a secret formula. It's a discipline. So, to recap, solve problems, not just follow passions. Celebrate that first dollar you earn yourself like it's $1 million. And focus on your savings rate and investing, not just your income. These principles might not be flashy, but they are the bedrock of genuine wealth creation. Thanks so much for watching today. If you found this helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit that like button and subscribe for more content that helps you build a better life. Drop a comment below with a money secret you've learned. See you in the next video.